Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I will share to add music to Instagram posts with multiple photos. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play or App Store on your phone, and once you're there, search for Instagram and make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, click on Open. Then you want to go ahead and click on the plus icon to add your photos. And now I'm going to add in multiple photos here. So I'm just going to click on some random ones. So that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. And then once that is done, click on to next. Should be top right hand corner of your screen. And then you'll come to this page here, and there'll be a music icon. Should be located top middle of your screen, so go ahead and click into that. And they've got For You music here, so you can go ahead and click any of that. You can browse for music from happy, love, hip-hop, R&B and soul genres, happy, or if you've got a particular music track in mind, just go ahead and search for that in here. So I'm just going to do that for an example. So I'm just going to type in Eminem, Lose Yourself. And there it is there. I'm going to add that to my post. And then you got a little slide bar here. You can choose what part of the song you want to use. So you can see these 3 red dots. That's normally the most popular part that people have been using for that particular song. So I'm going to go ahead and use this part of the track here. And then once that is done, just click on the tick icon. And then go ahead and click on next. Wait a few moments for this to load. And then you can give your post a name and fill out all the other stuff down below. Yeah, and that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.